Solapur, Umarga, Humnabad, Hyderabad. Sleeper bus. MSRTC. Daytime they are sending sleeper bus. Traveling in the sleeper bus. Humnabad bus stand. Humnabad, Hyderabad. It's so cool. Daytime they have put sleeper bus. It's empty, so I got a sleeper seat. First time in my life, first ever journey in a sleeper bus. I switched on the fan, it's not working. Anyway, 170 kilometers, 210 rupees is a really good bargain. Even ordinary express bus, they will charge more. I don't know why they are given so much concession. It's a new bus, you can see. Super finishing. 170 kilometers, 170 kilometer, 210 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೀಪ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಬಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಚೀಪಾಗಿ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. It's coming from Pune. I don't know, daytime they kept sleeper bus. Anyway, it all worked out for me. The first ever time I am sleeping and going in a bus. Always I'll be awake. But now also I won't sleep. I'll be seeing driver's cabin from here. It's not working. It is the USB charging point. I'll try to open the windows. Let me see. So here is a detailed review. LED lights, really bright, really good. Finishing and all is really good. Plastic. It's a new bus. Screen is okay. Fan is not working. Even for my neighbor, he tried. For him also, it's not working. Emergency button is there. Emergency exit. This is. Then there is a emergency light for the indicator, I think. Speaker. Then there's a rack for the slipper. I kept the slipper, but it's for the bag. Then here there's a light, it doesn't work. USB charging point. To keep your mobile a mobile holder. One thing I really miss, I won't be traveling in sleeper bus anymore because this is the first time and I don't like it at all because I like to be awake and keep watching everything that is happening. Here it is so uncomfortable and I get the feeling of as if I'm going to fall off. See, a bar is here and there is a bar on this side. So in the middle it's empty. You can see on the opposite side there's a bar on either end. Middle it's empty. If I get a feeling of falling off. Of course I won't fall off, but ladder is there, that's good. It's better than trains. Trains you don't even have such proper ladder for 3 AC. For 1 AC, yes, there are better ladders. Otherwise people struggle like anything. They kept some rack in the front of the first two seats for leg space, I think. And they put a bar so that no one keeps any luggage or anything. MSRTC buses tickets are very costly. I have told in all my journey videos. This is such a surprise seeing only 40 rupees extra than the kilometers. Even express bus, I'm sure it will be 170 kilometers means it will be 250, 260. I can't understand why they made it 210. Or maybe this bus may return. Maybe these drivers are the second drivers. As you know, in MSRTC for longer distances, they give two drivers, two conductors. Here only one driver, one conductor. So maybe they came to duty at maybe Umarga or something. They will take it back now at night to Umarga. My guess, that's all. Which bus stand is this? It's Mannekalli. One of the viewers had told about this place, Mannekalli. I forgot his name. Once again, I'll try to remember. Mandar Lagu. He had told me about this place. He's from Mumbai, so he gave a lot of information about Hyderabad buses, Mumbai bus stands. That time he told about this place and gave a link in the Google Map also. Thank you, sir. One good thing is I can keep my window open. I can feel the breeze. I always like to keep the window open at night. Otherwise it becomes suffocating. At least little bit I'll keep it open even in cold weather. Here it's like a private compartment, so I can do whatever I want with my window. But this is of light. But when it comes to ordinary express bus or semi-luxury bus, you have to listen to other people. So here I am my own king. Blue color night lamp. Pune, Solapur, Umarga, Humnabad, Hyderabad. MG. Emergency exit. MG. Nice footrest for the conductor also. Fire extinguisher. Tata bus. I thought it was Leyland Tata slow. That's why it's so slow. Total 5 single berths and 5 into 2 10 double berths. 15. Gopalpalli. Zairabad. Zairabad bus stand. After a long time I'm seeing this bus stand. No power only. Totally dark. Power came. He is going slowly, 35, 40. That's all. Tata bus also very slow. The only reason I'm very happy is the cost. Usually, even express red color bus of MSRTC or Karnataka bus, it will be 1.5 times or more than 1.5 times. Ali Velagu. Narayan Pet bus. It will be 1.5 times more than the 1.5 times the kilometers. 170, it will be 250 or something. 210, I still can't believe. For sleeper, they gave so much. Maybe it's introductory, some sort of concession offer. You might remember that once I traveled in a Chikmagaluru Salem bus. They had this concession offer also. I shown the ticket also. They had written something like, I forgot cancel. Power came. Nice bright lights. ಅಲ್ಲಿ వెలుగు. Sadashiv Pet. ZHV, Zairabad bus. bus keeps making some sound. Yeah, like this. Some sort of pressure release. Water can holder for the single seat. Similarly, that side for double seat. Leg space. Behind the driver, there's a lot of space. They could have put a seat also if they wanted for some extra driver to sleep, like in APSRTC. I did ask the conductor about the bus, whether this bus will go back again at night. I thought maybe the crew brought it from Umarga, like other MSRTC short trips from Umarga. They'll take it back at night. I thought, because it's a sleeper bus, right? Why will they give sleeper bus for a day trip? But he told it's a day trip bus only. That's what I was wondering. Why are they giving sleeper buses for day trip? It's a loss making. The ticket also is same for sleeping seats also. For night time, if they would have hiked if they are given this bus and they would have hiked the price of the sleeping seats, then it would be profitable. Can't understand, because the normal bus only they could have given 3+2 or 2+2. They could have made more profit. I don't remember any of these areas at all. Many years ago, I remember going to Gulbarga from Hyderabad. There used to be an area by name Kukatpalli. So at Kukatpalli, all the buses would stop, and I got on at Kukatpalli. I don't know where that is. It's completely changed. For 170 kilometers, he has taken 4.5 hours. We have not yet reached. Very slow. Inside Hyderabad, no, not much traffic also.